Hey everyone, I'm Emmanuel, and this evening I'm going to be talking about Hapy, the Hausa programming language. So Hapy is a programming language that we developed, we, my friends, three of us. That was last year as per school project. So the aim of Hapy is to teach computational thinking to small kids in northern Nigeria. All right. So what's computational thinking? Computational thinking is the ability to formulate real-world problems in a way computers can understand. For example, let's say you wanted to count the number of people in a room. So you won't carry each person and try to put them in the computer. You have to, represent them somehow. Maybe like numbers or objects or something like that. So that's abstraction. Using something to represent another thing, something like that. So it's one of the parts of computational thinking. The other parts are pattern recognition, decomposition, and algorithms. So programming is a good way to teach all of these things to kids or to anyone really. But the issue is most programming languages are in English. And that means that for the millions of kids in northern Nigeria, where Hausa is mostly spoken, these kids cannot even, they won't be able to learn programming without learning English. So that's why we decided to make this programming language. So to make a programming language, you of course need syntax, you need the grammar, then you also need like a compiler, something that makes it work. So the Hapy compiler is a source-to-source compiler. So what that means is it converts one programming language to another. You can also call it a transpiler. That's the common word. So the Hapy compiler has four parts. You need the lexer. So the job of the lexer is to kind of take your raw code, like the code you've written, that's the Hapy code, and break it down into small parts, like strings, numbers, and all of that. So these small parts are called tokens. So the lexer then passes those tokens to the parser. The parser's job is to rearrange those tokens in a more sensible way. So that structure is called an AST, as the abstract syntax tree. Then this parser passes the AST to the code generator. The job of the code generator is to take the AST and use it to make new code. And this new code we're making is Python. So like I said, the Hapy compiler is source to source. So we're converting Hapy, that's Hapy programming language, to Python because, well, and Python is easy to work with. And then we can now use the Python interpreter to run the code. Then finally, we have the translator. So the translator, of course, translates Hapy, the Hapy parts of, sorry, the Hausa parts of Hapy to English. So right now, the stage where we're in, we just finished the project and we're here to publish the paper. We're hoping by this year we'll do that. Then next, we plan to, improve our documentation, get more examples. The next, we like to organize classes for students, like, in schools, in North. Then finally, for long midterm goals, we like to start using Hapy to make games, just like Scratch, but using Hausa. So the ultimate goal of Hapy is to get underprivileged kids in the north of Nigeria to be able to build things for themselves, so that they will take part in this tech revolution and everything. So you can check out Hapy. We have a website and check us out on GitHub. I'll maybe post the link somewhere. Then please give it a star if you like it. And finally, I like to demonstrate, what Hapy can do. So let me just quickly open my editor. So this is our online editor. So I'm just going to create a function that says hello virtual coffee in Hausa. So the keyword for like define or function in Hapy is Ayana. So that's the Hausa word for function. Then I'm going to write this Gaia. So Gaia is like greet or tell. So normal programming. So Hapy uses some Python syntax, some JavaScript syntax. As you can see, We have semicolons to define the end of a block, and we also have these curly braces and all of that. Then next, I'm going to write the print keyword, like the console log, for example, in Java. So that's Nuna. I'm just going to close the semicolon, put my string here. So I'm going to say hello, that's Sanu. Well, I think I pasted it there. So this is virtual in Hausa. Kama the one, coffee. That's hello, hello virtual coffee. Then of course I need to call this function. Then let me run it. Let me move this over here. Yeah. So if you see, you can see the output. That's Sanu Kama the one coffee. Then you can see the generated Python code. Everything just like Python. Define, Gaia, everything like that. So that's Happy. And hope you enjoyed my talk and hope you enjoy the rest of the program. Thank you.